I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
And I'm Aidan.
And today we wanted to give you a top 5 of our favorite tools that we use the most.
Yes.
And when we say the most, I mean literally we use them every single day, right?
Yes.
So where do you want to start? With what's in your hand?
Sure.
Okay, you've heard me talk about the hand maddock many a times, and this to me is the greatest tool that's ever been invented. You've been using it your whole life.
I have.
It's easy to dig a hole.
Sure is.
It's easy to weed.
Yep.
It's not heavy.
It's not.
The key thing, and I think this about tools in general, either get them where they have some sort of bright color on them or spray paint them a bright color. Because if this was all wood, it would be lost in the garden.
You would never be able to find it.
Exactly. No point in setting yourself up to lose your tools. So, highly recommend this. I think you can find these online or at local garden centers. I like it with the pointy end, but I really primarily use the wide end. And that is the main thing we dig holes with.
Yes.
There you have it. All right, the second thing that we use the most of at this time of year is a light charge of organic fertilizer. And we've had a lot of success using this Dr. Earth product, which has an NPK ratio of 4:6:3. So, nitrogen equals leafy growth. The middle number is phosphorus. That is actually really good for roots and fruit development. And the last number is potassium, and that really goes for cell strength. It increases the strength of the stem and of the root system. Those are the 3 macronutrients. Generally, micronutrients are available naturally in your soil. And I always want to recommend organic products because these will actually help feed the microbes in your soil rather than suppressing them the way a synthetic time-release fertilizer would, something like a 10-10-10, which, to be perfectly frank, is too high of a charge, and half of that fertilizer runs off your property anyway. So our third most used product, and actually probably the thing that will be on your every week list to do, is to apply BT. So BT is Bacillus thuringiensis, and that is basically a bacterium that you apply to all of your Brassicaceae plants. So that includes cabbage, cauliflower, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, kohlrabi. And this basically is going to prevent the cabbage worms from absolutely decimating your crops. Because we are in very late winter, early spring season, we are doing a lot of planting of brassicaceous crops. So BT goes hand in hand with everything that we're planting. Does need to be reapplied every 5 to 7 days, depending on rainfall. All right, a good hose with an appropriate handle and a rose that makes you have a nice fine line of water that comes out. This is really critical. We've been really dry. We're also in the middle of pollen season right now. So basically every opportunity I have, I come outside and I wipe stuff down. But having a hose set up like this is really crucial because it doesn't actually damage your plants by having too heavy of a stream of water. So be sure to invest in a good handle and rose for all of your watering needs. Without hesitation, the #1 tool that we use, because every single project starts with it, is Soil Cube. And this specifically is their brand new veggie, which is really ideal for all of your plantings, but especially vegetables, both in the ground and in containers. And I want to make sure that you utilize my special discount code that will help save you money at the checkout. So be sure to enter BreeGrows23, and through the end of March, you'll save an extra $5. But starting April 1st, my discount code goes for $10 off every single bag that you order. So click the link in the description and check out the brand new veggie mix from Soil Cube. I promise you this stuff will change your life.
You won't regret it.
Right? You remember when we didn't know about Soil Cube?
Yes.
The soil quality was so bad.
It was.
Now the garden is always brimming with life, and it's it really is because of this product. So unfortunately, it's not available for everybody. It's only sold and distributed through the Southeast, and I'm sorry for that. But for those of you who are in their distribution area, be sure to check this product out. The Veggie Mix is definitely my new obsession.
Oh, yeah.
We're planting everything in it. Well, hopefully this video will be useful for all of you. We totally want you to have the most successful spring growing season ever. And I know these 5 things are really critical for our success. And we think that they will help your journey as well. So please be sure to give us a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the Breathe the Plant Lady YouTube channel for more practical gardening advice. Wishing y'all the best this spring. Happy planting.